Hey, Monkey Happy. Look what we got for you, buddy. We got some green beans, fresh. What you think about those? He said, I watched my brother Boo eat them. Go, Happy. Eating healthy. I like it. And making a mess just like his brother Boo. Did you learn that from Boo, too? So he's not really eating it yet. He said, I'm just making a mess with it. Finish your green bean. You gotta eat some more. Look, got one here you barely touched. Look at all them beans in there. Look, there's a big, look, Happy, I got you a bean right there. Look, in there. Oh, did you get it? It failed. Oh, did you get it? Let's see if you break them open, there's beans in there. You're just getting juice out of it. See there? Oh. Happy, I don't know if you're eating or making a mess. You seem to like them and you look cute with them, I'm sure. Look, get that bean right there. Oh, yeah. He said, those are tasty. He's so strong. You're such a cute little baby. Having his green bean. Happy, you're turning my couch into a green bean casserole. Happy, I can cook you some green beans. Yeah, we can't add no salt or nothing like that. Just some straight green beans cooked if you want. So, all right, guys. Hey guys, Monkey Boo and Pete, and today we're doing some training. Boo just did this like a couple times ago. We're going to see if we can get it on video. We're just playing. This is what we do. We do this for a couple hours every day. You ready, Boo? Come on. Come on. Get on my leg. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Boo. Come on, Boo. Come on, Boo. Good job. Good boy. Go. Oh, good Boo. That's a good boy. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Good boy. Let's go. Go, Boo. Good boy. Go. Did you crash, Boo? Swing. Swing, Boo. How strong is your tail, Monkey Boo? Huh? How strong is it? Huh? How strong is Boo's tail? How strong is Boo's tail? Look. How strong is Boo's tail? You ready? We might put this in slow motion. Ooh! You ready? Ooh. Good job. Good boy. Get right here. Do it again. Big jump. Good boy. Good boy. So, behind the back. Good boy. We caught him. Do it here. Do it here. Right up there. Oh, good boy. What's up there, Boo? You gonna get in the tree? Right here. Right here. Over here. Boo. Right here. Boo, right here. Hurry. Right here. Good boy. Good boy. Right here. Over here. in the trees, look. Oh, it's a monkey in the trees. Huh. Good boy, Boo. Give me that. Good boy. You ready? Come on. Let's go. So thank you guys for watching.
Look at those. Are interesting. Colorful. I can take about a copy right here. Go see those. Come on, there you go. Yeah.
Look, Happy. He's crazy.
Check him out. He's going.